Hello viewers, apne an sobke swagat kori ase. Mohan ajikali Dimapur bitorte ek sal aro itu pandemic pichete futsal gune 5-man soccer do bishi khile ase. To inga khila bitorte to ajitok to ene district wise nohelu bi organization kiba ekta ba inga orne chutu mutu inga khili na shuli for the first Nagaland futsal championship etu Nagaland Football Association bra organize kurne aro collaboration with Dimapur District Futsal Association bra ite Ura Villa de futsal ground de organize kurna si dorne yetela officials khano amian ekbar khota koi lobo.
Good evening viewers. A very good evening from the office of the NFA, office bearers, those who are present here. Presently we have 5 office bearers in this particular meeting interview. On my left we have Sir Edward, Treasurer of NFA. On my right, I have Kiaka Sumi, the Vice President of Nagaland Football Association, W. Monchun Konyak, the Joint Secretary of NFA, and Sir Mogado Aye, Vice President NFA, as well as the President of the Dimapur District Football Association. Thank you for your time, and thank you for this interview and giving us this opportunity to come forward with our hardships and the troubles, as well as the joy that we have got through this first Nagaland Futsal Championship. For our convenience, we Nagamas TV koi dibo, our English TV koi dibo. Actually, futsal is sort of a modified form of soccer. It is a modified form of soccer. To the rest of the world, it is very popular. But in our country, it is now coming up now. We are catching up now. And this sort of futsal tournament, this is the first time that such kind of tournament is being held in our state. So, the All India Football Federation has been very kind to our Nagaland Football Association for giving us enough time to hold this tournament so that it can be held as per our convenience in accordance to the infrastructure that is available to us. Actually, futsal is mainly an indoor game. It cannot be played on grass court or even in AstroTurf, the one we are using now. But owing to lack of infrastructure, like we said, we don't have a very good indoor futsal stadium in our state. That is the reason why All India Football Federation has been very kind, and they have given us a green signal to go ahead with this tournament, for this particular tournament, to use the AstroTurf. So, this football, the futsal, it has brought us immense joy, because we all know football is a religion in itself. It unites people. The joy it gives and it brings out is uncomparable and unmeasurable. So, we as NFA, we are in the initial stage, this football, in the game of football, as well as in the futsal, we are in the initial stage. So, we want to provide better platform to the upcoming young players in the field of football, as well as in the field of futsal. So it is our humble request, as well as we have a very great hope in this present government, led by our Honorable Chief Minister Nefiru and MLA and advisor, Youth Resources, Zalin Kha, that looking at the support, the admiration, and people, how they have come forward in supporting this game of futsal, the government will take the initiative to come up with a crew in that stadium in our state, so that we can uplift the game in our state. In days to come, we can compete at a higher level. And this is for information to all the viewers that the champion, whoever is crowned as the champion tonight, will be representing our state Nagaland in a nationals, which is to be held at Shillong, Meghalaya, during the month of November. So, like my earlier request, we have great belief that the government will look up and give us and provide us better infrastructure so that youngsters, more and more youngsters, can be blessed through this game of futsal. As we all know, football has now become a global industry. It provides lots of careers also, so we have to look up to that. So we have a very bright hope and looking forward to better times to come. Thank you.
Sir, I wanted to ask you something. Last year, iman famous thaken I do manu jana tok to আজিকালি বেছি অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিছে মানুহে তো এনেকুৱা অৰ্গেনাইজ কৰিলে আপুনি কিমান হাৰ্ডশ্বিপ ফেচ কৰিছে সিন্স ইউ আৰ দ্য head of that itu karena apni je hodi om jase like itu iniga futsal ko do kile mane dusra do soccer la do ene khili na se tournament do bishi apni anu jane ase holbe this is a new phenomenon for we nagas to itu la opor apni kinga face korna aise aro especially this tournament kiman hardship face korse etu hodi saum jas
To answer, most probably, preferably to Amigan Dimapur District Football Association President Batile Palo. Why? Because as the state association, yes, we are the organizers, but we have organized this particular tournament in collaboration with the Dimapur District Football Association. So for this particular query, I guess, and I think that Dimapur District Football Association President is the right person because he was the one who did all the groundworks in order to make this tournament a grand success. The reason why we shifted this venue here also, he is the right person to answer this question. Why, like I told you earlier, we have organized the tournament in collaboration with the Dimapur District Football Association, and they are solely responsible for making all the arrangements. So, to your particular query, I will be very glad if you can inquire that from our president, Dimapur District Football Association.
So, what about the other districts of Nagaland?
No. As of now, we don't have such kind of activities in other districts. We haven't come across much, except for Kohima and Dimapur, which have better infrastructure compared to the other districts, like AstroTurf kan nisna holebi Kohima Dimapur bishi ase. So this kind of football activities to Dimapur Kohima de bishi ase. But Goa nisna upcoming projects bishi aya ase Nagaland dibi AstroTurf ground kan bi da Tuinsang dibi layout hoy ase, Mon dibi layout hoy ase, Chumo dibi layout ase. So in the future, in days to come, Mogan Tostra district TV to game the bishi khil dakha dikhibo football hobi futsal hobi aro bishi hob ase edu game bra ami kan naga manu youngsters kan platform bhal paina age jabo gana bishi bisas tangor ase
to icha mohan question hodio monjai thake to moi sir moga to aye ke hodio jese he is the vice president of Nagaland Football Association and the president of Dimapur District Football Association to sir koi janishna sir bhai koi dishe apni ke একটা কোশ্চেন হতে যাচ্ছে মই লাইক আপনি ইটু আগে দুই কৈ দিয়া নিচিনা ইটু তো নিউ ফিনোমেনন ফর দ্য নাগাস উই অল নো দ্যাট এন্ড ইউ নো মাচ বেটার তো আপনি কি হতে যাচ্ছে আপনি ইটু অর্গানাইজ করলে লাইক ওয়েন ইউ টুক এ ডিসিশন টু ডু দিস কাইন্ড অফ অ্যাক্টিভিটি টুর্নামেন্টস এন্ড অল কিলে মানে সবচেয়ে ফার্স্ট টাইম আছে ফার্স্ট নাগাল্যান্ড ফুটসাল চ্যাম্পিয়নশিপ আছে এই ধরনের ইটুলা আপনি কিমান দুখ পাইছে কি আছে তো অলপ জানাই দিলে ভালো হবে না আপনি কি হদি চাও
I just want to speak in Nagamese for the convenience of everybody. Ami khan itu apni hudia nishna kile itu ami khan ge kwa organize kurule itu kuriala kotha kuri ase but then it is not our wish to host this Dimapur District Football Association ami khan we don't have authority to host the All Nagaland Futsal Championship but as and when NFA bra ami khan ge Dimapur District bra host kuri dibi itu tournament the first futsal championship Nagaland la ko to we took it very gladly in spite of very short time because we got only 10 days to prepare so in spite we were so eager excited at the same time babnate are bal brohos na kurle sorombi khawade we were so like that here and there ininga example of my team Dimapur District Football Association la amila team colleagues kan we had a hard time that since the month of September 2nd ajita kun bhi bal brahma nai de because we kept on working because this is all Nagaland nam bia hoile Dimapur la nam bia hobo itu bra hodai date 2 bra itia tak ami kan humabi after 2 o'clock we my gor punje but still for the sake of football and for the upliftment of football in any way we are ready to sacrifice and I would also like to take this opportunity to thank my colleagues Dimapur District Football Association la colleagues kan no humai na din hobi rati hobi kitya call kurubo chalo ami khan itu kurubo ami khan Dimapur nam bia hobode kule to everybody cooperated time dishe effort dishe even they gave their own financially na punjabi nijor work assignment thakya to na punchile bi nijor dhali digne niya kurigina I think this tournament from my side first time host Korea as a futsal too, but then it is and it will be a very successful tournament since today is the final. Ikku digdar napai kena iman bhal pra punjise, but one thing I would like to thank and also request I would like to thank 2-3 peoples. Financially ami khan iku nai, and out of 10 days yete kam gurubo na kunba ge help, financial help mangibo, it will be tension thakise. But in spite of all that, we approach 3 to 4 persons only. So we are very thankful to Sir Zaliorio for helping us out, and then Sir Tovioto, advisor to Power, bishi 11 hour te jaile bi tai acha modot kuri dibo kina ami khana financially bishi bal bra tai jon bra sai dise, plus ami khan la opening la special guest Sir Geoffrey Eden. In spite of just 4 or 5 days bitor te bi tai ke request kurise ahi kina ami khan la itu grace kuri dibne, he willingly said fine. Inia kuri kina financially still ami khan ifale na punchile bi tai khan bra sob ki pare ami khan ke modot di kina. I think this tournament is very successful. And then one person I would like to mention is our Deputy Commissioner. He is the host patron of this tournament. So tai to time he was so busy with those center officials, minister bishi he was damn busy. In spite of that, we could meet him up time and again. Aro tai ke discuss kurino whatever the problems tai ke kwato, he gave us the direction, even financial help, everything tai la through bra ami khan itu kurigena. And then even our ADC Atoka, he supported us like anything. Kiba na puncha tu tahi phone kuri dibo cho apni kan itu modot kuri dibide. DC and ADC, they were the backbone of this Dimapur District Football Association, and we are really thankful to him. In future also, if the district administration cooperate and help us like this, I think since this is the first futsal tournament in Nagaland, my view it has been a very successful tournament, and I thank the NFA Nagaland Football Association officials and also the association for giving us this opportunity. So hopefully in future also, by hosting like this, hopefully good players will turn up, and then we can bring up good players, and then which will bring laurels to our state.